Alright, today we're going to get the motor as close to ready to run as possible. The things I got left to do is basically I got to do an oil change, and then that hole right there is where the dipstick goes. I got to put a new dipstick in it. And then I got to get headers on, and then we can get this thing idling. And hopefully I can use these old headers right here. Those are the original cast iron ones. They won't stay on, obviously, but I think they will work good enough to get this thing decently working. So I have been recording my progress so far, but I don't think any of it is worth using, so I'm just going to quickly go over what I've been working on. I've got all of the hoses on to the radiator. It's all looking good. I don't know if I went over this already, but I got a new thermostat in and a housing. I got the new water pump in. It's brand new. That went on good. I got a new pulley here to go on the front, and I got a new belt tensioner. That was pretty hard to find, but I did find it. Yeah, I got these heater hoses on. Just obviously it's bypassing because I don't have a heater on it. Alright, I got the dipstick tube in. Finally, we'll start. We're going to see how it reads now, and then we'll do an oil change. I'm not going to be able to get it to focus. Max is right here at the end, so, and it's right here. Huh. Pouring right onto it. I mean, couldn't be any more of a clear shot. Right on it. Oh well, still better than some modern cars. Most modern cars. So I've got 6 quarts of this stuff. I'm only going to put in 5. There's a huge controversy on what goes in, how much goes in what motor. I have no idea what this motor came out of, so I'm using my best judgment. I'm going to do 5, and then I'm just going to make the dipstick read a little under full, and go from there. But that's my plan. I have a 6 quart, so we'll see what happens. Now I'm setting up the dipstick to be accurate. So what I've done is I let the oil settle, and then I put the dipstick in, and then I laid it on this paper towel. And then I marked the tip of the dipstick and the edge of the oil. And then I moved my dipstick up to where I wanted it to be accurate, the top of the oil to be accurate. And then I measured from this point to this point, and that's how much I cut off the wire. And I've already done that and put it back in the handle, and so now we should be good to go. I don't know if you can tell, but it's wet up to here, but the oil is right about there on my thumbnail, and that's about what I wanted. So it's good to go. Got the headers We got the radiator filled with coolant, gas in the tank. About to find a battery that's not dead or charge one up and see if we can get this thing started. Hold it down. Alright. Do it again. Alright. Let's try one thing before we add more gas. Let me just... Alright. Go for it. Alright, well, I'm losing daylight, so I'm going to probably call it quits here for today. And I got to do some research on how to adjust the mixture screws, because I don't know much about it at all. So I can get this thing idling. As soon as I get this thing idling, we'll be good to hook up the transmission linkage and get this thing driving, which is going to be so awesome. I'm so excited, super happy to be this far along. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.